Okay. All right, let's go. See you guys later. There's that big pipe right there. There's a ship house. Yeah. No, I don't know if they actually like private, like for only the aquarium like fishes that whatever they need to eat, they go hunt and pick it up, or they actually sell it like in markets.
I think they have to sell it at markets, but
Yes, we have a few trawlers though, not much here.
is it because we don't have that much pickings?
What do you mean?
Like not that much variety of fish to sell?
No, we do. Mostly our station in San Pedro, or at the place at the pier where I went a long ago, the restaurant.
Yeah.
You remember seeing it?
Yeah, I remember seeing it.
Why are you laughing?
Because I thought you meant the pier where you caught your seaweed.
Oh no, that's it was before the bridge.
Yeah. Yeah, you told me.
I know. That was so. I don't know. It just sucks. I'm like, I caught one, and it was a seaweed.
I wish I was there.
And Steve saw me.
Yeah.
Caesar, they were laughing.
Yeah, no, I wish I knew you guys well back then to go out.
Yeah, I got screwed right there with the seaweed. Bye.